All right. So on this one, the 4 and the 10 are definitely not the same base. But there's something I could do with the fraction. What can we do with fractions like this? Well, we can't make it a whole number. We need to do something. What do we need to do? What about, is that the simplest form? No, it's not the simplest form. So we need to think of how to make that the simplest form. Now, the other thing that we can do, well, we'll get to that in a second, okay? But the other thing that we can do is we're going to do some work with the exponents. So is x the same base as x? Sure. So what do I do with the x's? What did I do with the 8 and the 2? Two of these x's on the bottom are going to cancel with 2 of these x's on the top. So that's the same as x raised to the 8 minus 2. Okay? Now, what you don't remember, and we did this before break, and maybe that's what's throwing you off a little bit. When we reduce a fraction, we take it to prime factorization. And then we cancel out the prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers again? 2, 3, 4 is not prime. 5, 7, 9, 11, right? 9 is divisible by 3. So, whoops, my 11 looks funny because we'll just... Anyways, so isn't 4 2 times 2? Yeah. So those are both prime numbers. So I'm going to say 2 times 2. Actually, let me do it like this. That's 2 times 2, right? And then what about 10? Give me 2 numbers that I multiply to get 10. 2 times 5. 2 times 5, right? 2 times 5. Now, let's write the x down. I've got x raised to what power? 6, right? Because we've got 8 minus 2. Because 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. So now, what do you think we could do to reduce this fraction? Yeah, kinda. But we gotta, what's 2 divided by 2? So if I take this 2 and divide it by this 2, I get 1 and a 1. What's 1 times 2? 2. What's 1 times 5? 5. So this whole thing equals 2/5 times x to the 6. So it's clear to me we're going to need some extra examples. So can I simplify this anymore? No. That's why we do the prime factorization. That helps us make sure that we simplify the fraction as far as we can. Okay? Where are you guys at on this? Thumbs up if you totally understand it. Thumbs down if you're completely lost, and then somewhere in the middle. Okay. Well, if you're in the middle, we just got to keep doing it till you get the thumbs up. Okay?